Hello everyone, welcome to my Sherry studio. Today I prepared some very spontaneous Easter card, and I hope you will like it. First I will sketch a bunny on the paper, a half of a bunny. Then I will copy it on a white fancy paper and I will cut it out. I will give it pink ears and add some blush on cheeks. Now I'm drawing face on my bunny, eyes, nose and the smile. When my bunny is ready, it's time for a background. I will blend some inks, some green inks. As you can see, I have here some distress inks and I'm starting blending. I really love this small green chalk ink, and it's sparkling ink, but it doesn't work like before and I think it's a little bit dry. That's the problem. I have here this beautiful floral stamp and I'm going to use it. I'm not sure if it's going to be visible on this dark green color, but well, I hope it will work. Yes, this is what I was afraid of. This color is not very visible on this background. That is why now I'm thinking, what should I do? Let's leave it for a while and let's choose some sentence. I have here two stamps, Happy Easter stamps in Polish, but I'm not sure which one should I choose. I like both of them, so I have a dilemma. Okay, let's put this card together. I have also another background, as you can see, but now I will attach my bunny to the card using foam tape. Let's stick the card to the background. And now I have to choose what to do with the sign. I decided to use this bigger sign because it will cover this quite messy stamping. And this is my idea what to do with it. I decided to attach some small green flowers. And this is how ready card looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my movie and I hope you like my card. So happy Easter to everyone and see you soon. Bye.